In this video you will learn how to install pip in the Visual Studio Code editor, and do hit the like button if you find this video useful. Although pip is generally downloaded automatically when we install Python in our system, but somehow if this is not installed into your system, then we can install this explicitly also. So for that, first of all we will open the Visual Studio Code, and now we will click on this terminal, then select this new terminal here. And now in this terminal we have to just run this particular command. So this command will download this get-pip.py file from this particular website, and I will attach this command in the description also, so you can get it from there. Now we will hit enter. So the command is executed successfully, and we can see here that the file is downloaded as expected. And finally, to install pip, we will execute this downloaded Python file. So we will write python3 space get-pip.py, and the installation is completed quickly. And also at the last we will see this message successfully installed, which means the installation is completed successfully. Now to verify the installation, we will check the version of pip. So we will write pip space -- version. So here in the output we have got the version of pip as well. So now let me know in comments if this video was useful to you, and make sure to hit the like button.